Hello guys, I'm Ghaitsani Amani. I will show you how to make Torikatsu. Torikatsu or Japanese crispy chicken. This dish has crispy texture, so when you eat it will be so exciting. To make Torikatsu, we need ingredients such as chicken fillets and garlic, pepper, salt, chicken powder, and then chili powder, and then also 1 egg, flour, and last breadcrumbs. We also need rice and vegetable salad made of carrot and cabbage and topped with mayonnaise sauce. First step to making torikatsu is first marinate the chicken with garlic, pepper, chicken powder, and chili powder. Marinate for at least 1 hour. Next, coat the chicken with flour, dip in an egg, and coat with breadcrumbs. And then heat the oil and fry chicken until golden brown. After that, cook the sugar, vinegar, salt, and water until the sugar dissolves. Pour into the carrots, mix well, and chill. Next, combine mayo, ketchup, condensed milk, mustard, salt, pepper, and mix well. And then add mayonnaise sauce to carrot and cabbage and stir well. Previously, the cabbage was sliced and soaked in cold water. Torikatsu is ready to serve with rice and vegetable salad. So guys, this is torikatsu with vegetable salad. It's very crispy and soft. Okay, let's try it. Guys, if you want to try Japanese food that's good and easy to make, you can try this one. Okay, thank you for watching.